Thank you so much. This was the best night ever. Not because I got married, but because I got married.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're great. You're great.
All right, we just want to thank DJ Joseph for DJing our wedding. He did a phenomenal job. Got everybody on the floor dancing. Was very entertaining. Did an amazing job. Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
All right, thank you guys.
We're gonna start with DJ Joseph rocks. The Music Man for Hire is awesome. Not only does he just do well when he's here, but he also keeps up with you throughout the months while you're planning this to make sure you're on track. Says, hey, get your playlist together, get your times together, let's make sure this thing's gonna roll smoothly. So I know it made her feel better.
Yes,
and
it did.
when she felt better, I felt better. That's what I got to say.
Okay. Thank you guys.